Hey everyone, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. So glad you're here with me today. Today's one of those days that I just wanted to just do some sketching in my sketchbook. And I'm just drawing this random picture of something that I felt like it really resonated with me because I love to draw botanicals so much. And this image I was drawn to it. And of course, here I am drawing this image of a sketching pencil with botanicals growing from the tip of the eraser, which is no longer there. I feel like it represents that I have the liberty and freedom to just explore and create without even thinking. It doesn't take much just to sit down, grab a pencil, and just sketch and draw something that's very creative and different. And that's what I'm doing today. Is I'm just giving myself and allowing myself to explore and not have to think, not have to worry that everything looks perfect. This is in my sketchbook. It's not for anyone else but myself. And I'm just here today to share with you that you are allowed to do this. Give yourself the freedom, and you will explore different things that make you happy. And if you're not happy at what you're doing, then make some changes. Do something different for a little bit. And so that's what I'm doing here, is I am just doing what I love, and that is to just sit down and doodle and draw. And then now I'm just taking some watercolors, not having to be perfect at all, and I'm just painting just like it's my own coloring book that I've created. That's what these sketchbooks mean to me, is something that's meaningful, and yet I'm able to just sit and paint, draw, and doodle on my sketchbook, knowing that it's for me and really no one else but myself. We don't sell these items. We just keep them for ourselves, for practicing, for experimenting, learning. And that's how I'm growing, is allowing myself to be able to explore in different mediums, and I'm growing in the meantime. So I hope you guys also take the opportunity to do that for yourself and enjoy it along the way. So thanks again for being here on my channel. I really appreciate all of you, and I hope you're having a beautiful rest of your week. I'm just going to enjoy continuing to doodle today. It's beautiful outside. I'm going to take a walk, get some fresh air, and enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you're doing the same. Thanks again for being here on my channel. Bye for now.